Teacher and your parents, whatever they do, you take it like that. I'm not used to coming to sit down for 2-3 hours, but for the love and progress I want for Lagos and Nigeria, and my highly respected son minister, with my nation, I could have done what Obasanjo did about 3 hours ago for the police. It was not right. When they knew that this program would start around 12:30, they should have asked us to start around 12. No, I was here, the police did not go late. That's why I was here by 9. The 98-year-old Alhaji Senator Sassowo, who are the original landowners in this area, whose land was taken 1997-99 for the purpose of this railway, and no compensation was paid to them. I am restraining the family from taking any legal action against anything that will bring progress to Lagos and Nigeria. But if nothing is done to it, myself too, I'm a lawyer, and the acting president is a lawyer. I cannot wish that will come up one day. That is one. To the honorable senators, I appeal to you in the name of God Almighty Allah. Our Chinese counterparts has fulfilled their obligation on this project. It is up to you. Whatever is there, it is not this Buhari's serious, willing and able government who did all the allegations they were saying. Let the Senate, I repeat, let the Senate approve whatever is pending with them so that this progress can take off and to be followed by the one we want to do in Lagos State. To the companies, God Almighty Allah will do it. It is only expertise where non-Nigerians can do. Don't go and bring carpenter and come and call it project manager in this Lagos and in this country. I will demonstrate follow it up with the Honorable Minister of Internal Affairs to make sure that is not the one the British did for us in 1961, and they successfully disciplined to no more. And that is why, by the grace of God Almighty Allah, I went to do second chance with the help of God and my God-choosing acting president. I went through the University of Lagos. Lagos people in particular and Nigerians in general will not take any nonsense from any multinational entity. The ones from Chinese came to do athletic season, we are still on it. On this project, inshallah will be very, very successful. We will not take something like that. And any time for any recruitment, we make. And as I said, I'm happy that my acting president, and inshallah, I hope by the end of this week, I will personally try and make all agreement to see the president himself. Lagos people will not take any shit in the game. Thank you and God bless.
The government and people of Lagos State are delighted to witness this historic groundbreaking ceremony of the Lagos Abeokuta Ibadan Railway Project by His Excellency, the Acting President, Professor Yemi Osinbajo. This ceremony marks a new dawn in the transformation of our transport infrastructure. We are excited about this project because it will further open up the economy of the Southwest region and facilitate regional integration and growth. The agricultural sector will receive a long-awaited boost as this rail line will be a fast and convenient means of transporting farm produce from the hinterlands to the city, thereby increasing the economies of these places. In addition, our proposed Red Line project will breathe a new lease of life into our roads and highways. A direct benefit of this project is that containers and goods from the Apapa port will now be transported by rail, thereby reducing the number of trailers and other heavy-duty vehicles on our roads. A direct consequence of this project will be less productive man-hours wasted on the roads as a result of traffic gridlock and bad roads caused by these heavy-duty vehicles. In addition, We expect government to expend less resources on road repairs and maintenance once the rail line takes off and eases the pressure of articulated vehicles on our roads. We thank the federal government of Nigeria under the able leadership of His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari for prioritizing this landmark project, which will greatly complement our efforts to deliver a transport system that is befitting of a modern city-state. It is also important to note that the Lagos State Red Line Rail shares the same corridor and right-of-way with the Lagos-Abeokuta-Ibadan rail line. As we thank the federal government for granting approval of right-of-way for the Red Line, I want to use this opportunity to implore the federal government, particularly the Nigerian Railway Corporation, to cooperate with us